Hello and welcome back to Careermudhra. My name is Dr. Pratiksha Gupta, and in today's video I'll be telling about the Haryana NEET MDS Counselling. So every year we get so many calls and messages from students all over India asking us about the Haryana Counselling. The colleges are very limited. There are all total around, I can say, 9 dental colleges there, and out of which only 8 offers you the post-graduation course. And talking about the counselling, it's quite simple and just like the other state counselings, but there are a few things which are different from the other states. So let's take a quick review about how the counselling is and what are the steps in the counselling. So starting, the website from where you can log in and you can register yourself and get all the updates for the Haryana counselling is hry.online-counselling.co.in. So this is the website. You can see the link on the chat box or the description box below, and you can see it on the screen also, from where you can access all the information about the Haryana counselling. Moving forward, talking about the counselling. The Haryana counselling is conducted by the PGIDS Rohtak. As you know it's very famous, and that is the only government institute in Haryana which has the government dental seats for MDS, and that is the one which is going to conduct the counselling also. Talking about the steps, that what are the steps for the counselling. The first and foremost step is same as the other states. It's going to be a registration. So once you register yourself for the counselling, you have to make a fee payment for the application fee, which is around 2,500 to 3,000 rupees, and the security deposit for the private seats is 2 lakh rupees. Moving forward, once you have done all this process, you will be getting a state merit list where all of your names will be coming, whoever has registered from all over the India. Talking about after the publication of the state merit list, the next step will be the choice filling. Once you do all your choice filling, that is the most crucial step, where you have to keep in mind that how you are going to target the colleges. Once that is done and the college is allotted to you, there will be a publication of another list where your names will be there. That is the provisional allotment. Because after this allotment, you have to report to the Rohtak PGIDS, and there will be a physical document verification where you have to give this list of documents, and after submitting all these documents, there will be one more list publication where it will be written that these are the eligible students to take admission or to conduct the further round of counselings, whoever has successfully submitted their documents. After that, you can report to your college and make the fees payment and everything. Now, moving forward, if we talk about who are these people who are eligible for the Haryana counselling. See, Haryana is an open state. Students from all over India who want to take a seat in Haryana for the MDS are eligible for this counselling. You can target all the colleges that are present there apart from the government seats, and there are no divisions like these are the government seats or the private seats. The private colleges that are present there have only management seats. So if you're a student from outside Haryana and you're looking for a college there, feel free to register yourself for the counselling, as there is no foundation of any state category or any state quota or domicile category. So that's all. I hope I gave you a brief review like how the Haryana counselling works. In the second part of the video, I'll be telling you about the number of dental colleges and what is their exact fee structure. So tune in into the next video and we'll see what is the fees that is there in Haryana. I hope you liked this video. If you want to see such more videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and you can definitely share it to the ones who are looking forward for such information on the internet. Thank you.